Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1. Factory output falls to 6-month low and inflation at 4-month high. I've put a very interesting table. Take a look at it in detail. September 2020 to March 2021 industrial production and consumer inflation. I will read the last three figures. December 2020 1.56% industrial production positive. January 2021 minus 0.87%, February 2021 minus 3.6%. So still economy is not fully recovered from this COVID situation, and in fact March may be worse because of the current situation of rising COVID cases. Consumer inflation once again January 2021 4.06%, February 2021 5.03%, March 2021 5.52%. So the inflation is rising and the industrial production is coming down. It should be the opposite usually. Industrial production should go up, inflation should be low or it should be stagnant so that it will help the overall economy to grow better. We need to see what will happen in March and April when the impact of the current situation will be seen on the figures and the data available. News number 2. Good quarterly results of TCS. Total revenue January to March 2020 39,946 crores, March 2021 43,705 crores, 9.4% rise compared to last year. Net profit 8,049 crores 2020 March and 2021 March 9,246 crores, 14.87% higher. So this is a good performance by the company, especially considering the COVID situation. It was one of the best quarters in terms of new deals received from the clients. TCS share price at the time I was making this video was around 3094 and 52-week high was 3354. News number 3. Shortage of trucks for transporting goods. Due to the restrictions in Maharashtra, almost 20% of the truck availability has been reduced. It has resulted in shortage of trucks to transport goods from Maharashtra factories to various parts of the country. This may lead to shortage in availability of goods and also increase in the prices because of the supply reducing. News number 4. Around 10 lakh Indians are waiting to buy a car. Around 5 lakh Indians are waiting to buy an affordable used car or a second-hand car, and around 10 lakh Indians are waiting to take delivery of the new vehicle which they have already booked. There are long waiting periods for new cars due to the shortage of components leading to delay in delivery of vehicles by automobile companies. So very interesting data. We need to see when this situation will become normal. News number 5. 50% fall in airline bookings as COVID cases rises. Due to the rapid rise of COVID cases all over the country, airlines have reported almost 50% fall in bookings. Normally during summer vacations, airline bookings rise, but this time the bookings will get affected due to less people traveling and also travel restrictions imposed by governments. I put a very interesting statistics once again. Average daily air passengers per day in February 2021, 3 lakhs. Average daily air passengers in March, April 2020, 2,36,000, and maybe the figure will reduce towards April end and May, so we need to see what will happen with these figures. News number 6. SEBI imposes Rs 25 crores penalty on Yes Bank in bonds case. SEBI put a penalty of Rs 25 crores on Yes Bank and 3 senior officials of the bank because they had sold certain bonds to retail investors without giving them complete details of the bonds and the risks associated with the product. Also, the bank officials did not assess the risk appetite of the investors before selling these risky bonds, and hence the fine by SEBI. This was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please press the like button. If you understood the contents of this video, please type understood in the comment section and share this video with all your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.